Okay guys, and welcome back to my channel. With the electrified Genesis GV70 to sit alongside the EG80 and a fully grown up electric GV60. The amazing part of the EGV70 is that it looks nearly identical to the normal GV70 save for the close off grille and a lack of exhaust pipe. This is important as the pure luxury EV SUV market in North America is exploding. Why? Well, the GV70 Electrified is a normal GV70 convert to an EV, not a grown-up EV chassis. Under the floor is a 87.2 kWh battery pack capable of 350 kW rapid charging, allowing from 10 to 80% in 18 minutes. Dual electric motor put out an impressive 482 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque, or 700 Nm, capable of 0 to 60 in a 4.5 seconds. Range is expected to be around 250 to 300 miles. Genesis also has fit active road noise control to keep the cabin quiet, along with an electronic scanning suspension. Inside, take the concept of white space and a feature natural leather ties, eco-friendly natural or recycled wood, and more. Production of the electrified GV70 is expected to start this December at the brand Montgomery, Alabama manufacturing facility. This is the first Genesis model to build in the United States. Okay guys, what do you think about 2023 Genesis GV70 EV? Please leave comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button too. Thank you.